Welcome to Pebbles channel. So today we are going to learn how to place the adjective. So we have already learned the different adjectives. Now we are going to learn how to express them. So the first concept is pour caractériser une personne ou une chose. So to characterize a person or a place. So how do we use to describe a person? What do we use to describe a person or a place? We use an adjective. And now we are going to see how to place those adjectives. So the first form is être plus adjective. The être conjugation plus the adjective form. So an example for this form is Pierre est sympathique. So here, this is the être conjugation plus the adjective. Sympathique is the adjective. So we are using this word to characterize a person. So pour caractériser, to characterize a person or a place. Pierre est sympathique. So that is one way in which we express an adjective. The next form is noun plus adjective. The noun plus the adjective. So in this case, the adjective comes along with the verb, the être verb. In this case, so let us see this example. Elle a rencontré, she had met, un beau garçon sympathique. So here, in this case, we have two adjectives, beau and sympathique. Now, if we look at this adjective, it is coming after the word garçon. Garçon means boy. It is a noun. So, it is in the form noun plus adjective. Noun plus adjective. So, the adjective following the noun. So, and in this case we have two adjectives. So, this is another form in which the adjective can be written. So, here are two important points that we need to remember. So, les adjectives. So, some adjectives. So, these are the examples. Beau, bon, grande, petit, jeune, joli, nouveau, sont. So these adjectives sont are souvent placés, often placed avant le nom. So you know the meaning of this word. It is before. Before the noun. So these adjectives beau, bon, grande, petite, jeune, joli, nouveau. So these adjectives are often placed before the noun. So if you see in this example, we have beau. It belongs to this list. Where was it placed? Before the noun. So when you see these adjectives in a sentence, it has to be filled in before the noun. Now the next point, les adjectifs de couleur et les adjectifs de nationalité. So two cases, the adjectives of color and the adjectives of nationality. So these sont toujours placés, always placed après le nom. Après is after. So, in two cases we place the adjective after the noun. That is when it is the name of a color or it is a nationality. So, these are the ways we can characterize a person or a place. So, there are some more points that we will be learning. So, let us go through this once again. So, the first form is être plus adjective. So, the adjective is coming after the verb. The next form is noun plus adjective. The adjective coming after the noun, or now since we know these 2 points, we know that an adjective can be placed either before or after the noun. So if you have these adjectives, so I have given you some examples. So these adjectives will be placed before the noun. And when will we place the adjective after the noun? When it is an adjective of color or of nationality. So now I hope you are thorough with these points. So I will tell you some more points regarding these adjectives.